Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel.
Hello, I am Ottawa, the Mabot.
Today, we have an exciting topic for all the finance enthusiasts out there. We'll be discussing the top 10 books that you must read to gain valuable insights into the world of finance. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, these books are sure to enhance your financial knowledge. So let's dive right in. Number 10 on our list is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. This timeless classic offers valuable insights on value investing and teaches you how to make sound investment decisions. Provides practical advice on stock selection and risk management. You can grab a copy of this book for around 1,500 Indian rupees. Next up, at number 9, we have A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. This book delves into the concept of efficient market hypothesis and explores various investment strategies. It's a great read for understanding the dynamics of the stock market. You can find this book for approximately 1,000 Indian rupees. Moving on to number 8, we have Common Stocks and Uncommon Profits by Philip Fisher. This book emphasizes the importance of thorough research and analysis when selecting stocks. Fisher shares his valuable insights on identifying high-growth companies and building a successful investment portfolio. Price for this book is around 1,800 Indian rupees. Number 7, we have Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel Kahneman. Though not specifically focused on finance, this book explores the psychology of decision-making, which is crucial in understanding investor behavior. It sheds light on cognitive biases that can affect financial decision-making. You can get your hands on this book for approximately 1,300 Indian rupees. Coming in at number 6, we have The Big Short by Michael Lewis. This captivating book takes you through the events leading up to the 2008 financial crisis. It provides an inside look into the world of subprime mortgages and the individuals who predicted the collapse of the housing market. This gripping read is available for around 900 Indian rupees. Now, let's move on to our top 5 picks. Number 5 on our list is Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki. This book shares the author's personal experiences and lessons learned from his Rich Dad and Poor Dad. It emphasizes financial education, building assets, and developing a mindset for wealth creation. You can grab a copy of this book for around 400 Indian rupees. Number 4, we have The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle. This book presents a compelling case for low-cost index fund investing. It highlights the importance of a simple and passive investment strategy for long-term success. You can find this book for approximately 700 Indian rupees. Moving on to number 3, we have The Essays of Warren Buffett, Lessons for Corporate America by Warren Buffett and Lawrence A. Cunningham. This book compiles Buffett's annual shareholder letters and selected articles, offering invaluable insights into his investment philosophy. It's a must-read for aspiring investors. Price, approximately 1,500 Indian rupees. Coming in at number 2, we have The Alchemy of Finance by George Soros. In this book, Soros shares his theory of reflexivity and provides a deep dive into his investment strategies. It offers a unique perspective on financial markets and investor behavior. You can get your hands on this book for around 1,800 Indian rupees. Now, our top pick for the best finance book is Security Analysis by Benjamin Graham and David Dodd. Considered the Bible of value investing, this comprehensive book delves into the principles and techniques of analyzing securities. It's a timeless classic for serious investors. Price, approximately 2,000 Indian rupees. That concludes our list of the top 10 finance books you should read. Each of these books offers a unique perspective and valuable knowledge in the field of finance. Whether you're looking to enhance your investment strategies or gain a deeper understanding of financial concepts, these books are essential additions to your reading list. Remember, reading is a powerful tool for personal growth and learning. So pick up a book from this list, expand your financial knowledge, and take control of your financial future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. Till next time, happy reading. Book prices mentioned are approximate and may vary depending on the edition, format, and availability. It's always recommended to check the current prices when purchasing these books.